Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up your Amazon Echo Pop, follow these easy steps to get your smart speaker ready for use. Step 1. Unbox your Echo Pop and plug it into a power outlet using the included power adapter. Step 2. Wait for the light ring on your Echo Pop to turn orange, indicating it's in setup mode and ready to connect. Step 3. Download the Amazon Alexa app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you don't already have it installed. Step 4. Open the Alexa app and sign in with your Amazon account credentials. Step 5. Tap on Devices at the bottom of the screen, then tap the plus icon to add a new device. Step 6. Select Add Device and choose Amazon Echo, then select Echo Pop from the list of device types. Step 7. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app to connect your Echo Pop to your Wi-Fi network by selecting your network and entering the password. Step 8. Once connected, the light ring will turn blue then orange briefly before turning off, indicating successful setup, and you can now start using your Echo Pop by saying Alexa, followed by your command or question. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.